Привет and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of January, we're exploring Russia. Come along with us. So this week we're going to be learning a Russian folk dance that you might be able to dance to a song like Kalinka that we learned a couple weeks ago. All right, so we're going to start with our arms folded in front of us, just like this. And our upper body is going to bend to the side 4 times, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you try that? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, at the same time, we're going to take 4 walks moving straight ahead or forward. So it'll look like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you try it with me? Ready, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Up on 5. 6, we're going to open our arms, clap 7, hands on hips, 8. Whew, let's try that again from here. Up 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we try that from the beginning? Ready, go. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, open 6, 7, 8. How'd you do? Great. Now we're going to pick up 1 leg at a time through passe, which is a ballet term, because remember, we're in Russia. Ballet is very, very popular. So we lift up 1 passe, set it down and back, 2, and then switch to the other leg, 3, 4, and again, 5, down 6, up 7, down 8. Good, that takes a lot of balance, doesn't it? A lot of leg strength. Let's try it from the beginning. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, good job, everyone. From there, we're going to run with our hands on our hips in place with these little kicks behind us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you try that? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's try all of that from the top. Ready, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost there. Now we're going to continue running, but in a little circle for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We come back to the front. On 7, we step wide. 8. With our heel out and our hips out to the side. 8. Great. Shall we try it together? Let's try it just from running in place. Here we go. Run, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's try it all the way from the top. A little bit slowly. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We run. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. All right, are you ready to speed it up? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Do svidaniya.